Pissed off because marketing isn't generating enough good leads? Let's see what your data has to say about it. If your marketing isn't working, 99% of the time it's because you're not testing and measuring the right variables. This process begins with identifying the key performance indicators such as the number of leads you're generating for your business and the quality of those leads. Other KPIs to measure include customer resonance, whether your marketing is reaching the right audience, user experience, how potential leads are behaving or interacting with your website and marketing, channel performance, how potential leads are finding you and which channels or marketing messages are converting. On the digital side of marketing, tools like Google Analytics can be invaluable if properly configured. Today, we're going to examine a B2B client's analytics, where primary KPIs are phone calls and contact forms for lead generation. The objective we're tasked with is to generate over 100 leads per month for this client. Looking at the last 30 days of data, we can see that a majority of their visitors are in the 25 to 34-year-old range, and a pretty even split between male and female. Our research on the sales analytics side shows us that their actual paying customers tend to skew more towards the 35 to 55-year-old range and are about 65% male. Based on the website data, their marketing message is not quite reaching the right audience. Looking next at the device overview, we can see that about 65% of users are visiting this site from their desktop or laptop device, and goal completions for this channel represent over 75% of leads. This aligns with our customer profile, as our client solutions are for businesses who often research these solutions with their teams. All that being said, mobile visits still account for over 30% of traffic. Zeroing in on the goal conversion rate, we see that desktop traffic converts higher than mobile traffic, which means we have some opportunities to optimize both the mobile interface as well as campaigns that we run through mobile applications like LinkedIn. Under our channel breakdown, we can see that organic traffic accounts for a higher percentage of inbound traffic, approximately 60% of all users. This is great because organic traffic doesn't cost anything outside of time spent creating content and SEO work to improve ranking. However, our conversion rate for this channel is the lowest of all of our channels. This is often the case when companies create a ton of well-researched content and they get a lot of tire kickers and DIYers who aren't necessarily qualified to buy their business solutions. The good news is we can maximize this traffic by remarketing users who left, which is exactly what our team implemented, seen here under the display category. All the users shown under display came back to the website through ads on other sites and applications. Conversion rate for display is about middle of the pack, and our cost for this channel is extremely low. The end result for the last 30 days was 18 more leads we wouldn't have gotten otherwise. Looking at our highest converting category, we see that paid search was over 1.5%. Standard conversion rates for lead generation in our client's industry is anywhere between 1 and 3%, so this channel is performing better than average. This is the channel we've spent the most time optimizing over the last 2 months, and we continue to see an increase in conversion rates as the weeks roll on. Finally, let's take a look at the conversions section, specifically assisted conversions. An assisted conversion is tracked by attributing previous visits to the site, meaning if someone was to originally come to the site through organic traffic and then come back directly, organic traffic gets an assist. This is also an important concept to consider, as website visitors don't always convert on their first visit. For this client, we see that nearly all their channels are assisting conversions, especially email, organic, and display ads. As we're ramping up paid search, we expect to see a fair amount of assisted conversions from this channel. Ignoring assisted conversions can result in misattributed channel performance. We see this a lot with clients who spend a lot on paid search. Oftentimes, they'll turn off these campaigns prematurely because they're seeing most of their leads are coming from direct traffic. Then, when they turn off their paid search ads, the leads dry up. Look deeper at your data to uncover key trends like these and make a more educated decision about what is actually performing well. Now that we've walked through a specific case study on how to leverage marketing analytics, what trends and outliers are you seeing in your analytics data? Let us know what you're doing in the comments down below, and subscribe to learn more about a data-driven approach to growing demand.